G'day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So today I've got a backpack here that I'm going to show you that I'm actually pretty excited about. Now, just in full transparency, this was sent to me from Coalax, and this is actually a Kickstarter. Now, I don't normally make videos about Kickstarter products. In fact, I probably get hit up a couple times a month from companies wanting me to promote their products or test them out. And usually I decline them most of the time, except if it's something I'm really excited about. When they first contacted me about this backpack, right away it appealed to me. Now, this is not a traditional backpack, and some of you are going to find it very beneficial. For some people, this is not really going to be of interest, but I think for a very specific type of user, this is going to be an essential piece of gear for your outdoor adventures. Now, this has some really unique features, including its own power generating station. It's got built-in selfie sticks, which we're going to take a closer look at here in a minute. Now, with that said, they're going to have different packages available. So for example, if you don't need this power station built into the front here, it is removable. You can take it off if you don't want to carry that extra weight if you're going out and you don't need it that day. But because this is a modular backpack, it can be reconfigured. You can actually purchase it with a different type of storage container on the front there. Again, we're going to take a look at that here coming up. This can store an immense amount of gear, a lot of stuff, everything you need. It's got so many different connection points and different strapping you can get for it. So whether you need to strap a tent to it, a sleeping bag, your tripod, depending on how you have this bag configured, it has a total capacity of 35 liters. This top bag, which is really a drone bag, which we'll take a look at, this is a 6-liter bag. The main bag is a 24-liter bag. And then the front accessory bag that you can get is a 5-liter storage bag. So there's ample amount of storage for all your essential camera equipment and any other type of gear that you need to bring along with you. This has an exoskeleton design, so it's a metal frame, and that allows you to add stuff and take stuff off, including the drone bag at the top. If you're at base camp and you're going to go fly your drone, or if you have a camera in there but you don't need to take your whole pack, this detaches. You can connect a shoulder strap to it, or it has a built-in handle, and off you go without having to bring everything. But let's go ahead here and we'll take a look at some of the features that make this bag really exciting. As mentioned here, we have a power station that's built right into the front. We have 2 traditional plugs here. Beside that, we have 2 USB-C. One is a power delivery 60 watt. The other is power delivery 100 watt. And beside that, we have 2 quick charge compatible USB-A. This can be charged with traditional power, but you also have the option of picking up a small portable solar panel so you can create power out on the go. You can charge this independently while it's sitting on the ground, or you can drape the solar panel over it, and you can still charge while you're hiking. As mentioned, it is fully removable, just like that there. So if you are going to be going out on a day hike and you don't need this extra power with you, you can replace it with this optional accessory bag. This is a great little bag to keep all the small parts, cabling, and really anything you need. This is a 5-liter bag, and it just fits in there, and it clips right in. So now if you don't need power, you just have extra storage. And as mentioned, you can order this backpack with just this and not the power station. That will keep the price down. Or you can order it with the power station and you can get this additional bag. At the top here is the drone bag, as they're calling it. And this is capable of holding a Mavic 3. You can see I have an RC2 in here. Spots for extra batteries and a charger. It can be removed just by undoing these straps here. And then there's little clips here at the side. We're just going to flip up. And now the whole bag can be removed. As you can see here, there's 2 spots to connect it to a shoulder strap, and there's also a handle. And it goes back in just as easy. You just line up the pins, they clip in, and then you just lock it down. Just for extra security, you just reattach these 2 clasps. Now we are going to take a look at these extension poles. That's one of the most exciting things about it in my opinion, but let's take a look at the rest of the storage. We have access to the main bag from the bottom here at the front, so you can just put whatever you need in there, stuff you want to be able to grab quickly. This is how we get into the main cavity of the bag, and you can see that there's ample storage in there. So when you're wearing it, you can see on the shoulder straps here, again, there's lots of different connection points. We have a mid strap to keep it tight. We have 2 pockets here on either side, so you could, whatever you need to store in there. But we also have a waist belt, and this is removable. If you don't want to wear the waist belt, you can remove that, but it's got some lashing over here where you can connect stuff, and another little bag on that side. But let's get to the most exciting thing, or what I think is the most exciting thing about this bag, and that is the built-in selfie sticks. Now these are removable. You can take the whole unit off if you don't need them on there, but as you can see, they are a full extension pole. And what's nice about it is as a solo creator, you could connect your camera, put it out in front of you, and you could do some vlogging or filming, or from behind if you want to get some footage of you hiking. Now, as you can see here, there's one on each side. So, you could get two views. You could get a front view, a rear view, and you could even put a light on there if you're doing some night hiking and you just want a light up above you. That could be easily done as well. And of course, you can add something like your Insta360 X3, a 360 camera, and that's going to make this pole invisible. So then again, you can get some really interesting footage of you hiking in the different environments. So yeah, what a great product. I am going to be making really good use of this bag this summer. As I'm filming right now, I've kind of mentioned it in some other videos, an outdoor channel. As mentioned, I normally don't accept crowd-funded products, but something like this, I thought actually was worthwhile, and I thought a few people would actually find this very beneficial. So I'm not saying you should buy it or you shouldn't buy it, that's going to be up to you. But I just wanted to show it to you, and then you can decide whether this is something you can make use of. Well, folks, that's basically it for this video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this concept. Is this something that you're going to be able to make use of? Do you like the idea that it has a built-in power station? Do you like these built-in selfie sticks? It's one of my favorite features. Let me know down in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.